everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back. So today I have something a little different to share with you. I want to share this Spellbinders haul that I did. My sweet friend Roseanne. Hi, Roseanne. She reached out to me, or was it my sister? I think it was my sister. And let me know that they were having a warehouse sale, right? So Spellbinders has this $1, $3, $5, $10 gangbusters, whatever, sale. And I've done it before and I like what I got and I thought I'd do it again. Okay, so I just want to show you a few things that I got. Starting with this card kit of the month. This is feeling festive. It is Christmas holiday related. As you know, I'm going to be making cards this year again. I made 100 cards last year, sold them all at the craft fair. To like between maybe 4 people. One bought 40, one wanted 30, and then the rest were just, they just went out. So I'm going to create some more cards with this kit. And what you get here is 8 cards and envelopes, 20 card panels, right? So the face sheet that goes over the card base. They're chipboard embellishments, acetate shapes, puffy stickers, pattern paper, die cut shapes, sprinkle sequence, foam squares, and adhesive tape. Good gravy. All of that in this little Ziploc bag. Okay, there are your tape and your foam squares. Nice little shaker mix. These are acetate shapes. Very cool. And then these are die cuts. Just a hell of a lot. And then your card base and then your card fronts. And then here are some cute puffy stickers, your pattern paper, and then some more puffy stickers. So I'm going to have fun doing this. I think this will be something that I create when I go over to my friend's house. We have a craft night once a month, once every 2 months. This will be something I can pull out and just whip up and get it done because I have started already with my Christmas things, not my tags, but my things. I also ordered this best ever craft tape, and I've seen women use it. This is a tape that you want to use when you put your die down on your plate to put it through your die cutting machine. Some of us use washi tape. It depends on which washi tape, because some washi tape will pull the paper up, right? So this is it says used for dies, masking, and more. So thought I'd check it out. I just got one. It's yellow, so that was cool. And of course, I got some Journey dots. I'm just looking for the small ones. These are like not many, but they're small. I got 1 box of those. Here's something that I need real bad. I'm taking it to work. A damn ruler. I don't have a ruler at work. And when I am doing this spreadsheet and I need to line stuff up to see what line I'm on, I go, where's my ruler? So I have like 12 here, but I have none at work, so that's why I got this one. And then I got a couple of dies. This is one I've been waiting for forever to go on sale. It is the Boolicious Fall Cupcake. I have seen the ladies do this die in some of the most beautiful colors and shapes. I've seen Halloween. I've seen spring. I've seen, just all occasions. So I finally got it because this is part of their large die of the month and they wouldn't sell it separate. So now they recently did, so I jumped on it. This is the cupcake, which I'm going to definitely be playing with. And then I got the Say Cheese die. 28 cutting dies. Good gravy. This one is 30. So looks like that. That's how it's going to look when it's all said and done, perhaps. I did get, another die of the month, Santa's Fireplace. Look at all those pieces, 27 pieces. And it'll look like that. So again, these are projects that you want to do. You just want to do just this when you're going away for crops, events at your girlfriend's house. Bring your craft bag. This is all you're going to work on. Just this. So I think they would make a beautiful card. Okay, so those 3. And then I got 3 packs of these. These were $1, I believe. These are die cuts. Floral die cuts. Make It Merry Spellbinders. 200 and 14 pieces in each one. I don't know why I thought I needed 3. But I do have my, see, they have some pine cones with some gold foil on them. They have the poinsettias in red and pink. I see they have the green leaves, various sizes. So glad about those. I got some clear stamps. This is Dancing Holiday Sentiments. 18 sentiments. Perfect. Merry everything and happy always. Merry wishes to you and yours. You're the holly to my jolly. You are so dear to me. So really nice, right? When you just need a little sentiment in a small space, be perfect. So I picked up that. Keeping with the Christmas theme, I did get 2 of the Nutcracker Ballet paper pads, 6x6, 40 sheets, 10 designs, include some foil. So I don't know if these are double-sided. Let's just see really quick. No, they're not. But again, all for card making. I'm going to really whip out a bunch of cards this season. I think folks really enjoyed it, especially the one co-worker. I think she bought them for her entire staff, which is nice, right? So, so I got 2 of those. And then this is just a little Nutcracker Ballet chipboard stickers, right? 29 pieces. So we got that. And then I got, oh yeah, I don't know why, but I have probably 3 packs of these buttons. I just think the colors are so pretty. Journey color buttons. Okay. And then I got my gems. I've used these before. I really do like them. So this is the pink. And then there is the gold mix. And then there are the self-adhesive embellishments. So these you could just peel off and put down, right? Perfect flower centers. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, got those. Then I got 2 of these. These are the Christmas Puffy Sentiment stickers. So they feel kind of puffy. So you have sparkle, you have Merry Christmas, you have peace. So these will be nice to use as well, especially with the black, because that'll just pop right off the card or the page or whatever you're going to make, whatever I'm going to make. And then I got this die because I love that crisscross. And I'm going to be making 2 cards, and it has that crisscross stuff, and I'll show that to you once I complete it. But this is 5 dies. So here are all your crisscross, and here are all the things that'll cut out that'll go on top of it. So you have some banners, triangles, small circles, and a little bit larger circles. Okay, this is just 5 cutting dies, party decor. So really cute. I love that crossing over look. What else did I get? Oh, couldn't pass this up. This is pop-up die cutting glitter foam sheets in gold and silver. Definitely for the holiday, right? So there are 10 sheets in here. And the prices are great. They're either, everything is either $1. Like these things, I think $1. And then you go to the $3 and you go to the $5 and you just can keep going. I bought another stapler because when I'm doing my bows, I just have them loaded up, ready to go. If one runs out, I just keep it going with another one. Right? So I have 2 of the Tim Holtz ones. And then I have 2 of the Journeys ones. And these are nice. Might as well take her out the box and introduce her to the other boys. There you go. So, and I share with you that I'm starting to make my bows now because I need to make sure I have enough of these tiny attacher refills. I did buy a lot last year. I still have a couple of boxes up there, but I don't ever want to run out. I mean, if I run out or he stops selling these, oh my gosh, because these are tiny. They're not like your regular standard. And then I got some of these flea market finds. These are the Stationery Boutique. Now, I first saw these on Anna White's channel. Hello, Anna. I see you started your garden again. I can't wait to follow. She had purchased these some time ago for $1, and that's how much they were, $1. And they just a bunch of vintage looking stickers and just stuff that will go on a card when you need just that something. Look at it, it says shake well, so that would be cute on a bottle. Then you have some frames, maybe for a journaling spot. These would be cute on envelope to close the envelopes up. And then there are these beautiful flowers, and you can just peel them off there. They have a sticky back to them. Some more flowers. Then you have these border strips, which are really, really pretty. Okay, here as well. And then you have some floral images. Again, some frames. And then you have these little prices, $3.49 each. These look like postal rates stickers. They're just cute to just go on your cards. Airmail, little miniature postcards, postage stamps. So really cute. And then you have that sheet there of blanks. So I picked this up. Like I said, it was $1. And my sister also picked it up. I think she bought 2 of them. And today we were talking and she was like, I don't know what to do. I'm just going to send them to you. And I said, no. Let's just wait. Inspiration will come. And then we will use those. So that was my small Spellbinders haul. And then I wanted to show you, where are they at? I made 2 cards. I was playing around with some leftover, oh my goodness, where are they? Lettering that I had in my drawer. And I've used these before, because I'll show you the first card that I made, I believe. Let's see here. Yes. So you recall these cards that I made. These are the Happy Birthday Shaker cards. So Recollections has the alphabet. They say Happy Birthday in the pack. So I used birthday, but I didn't use the word happy. So I used the word happy now, and I made these 2 cards. Okay, the first one looks like this. Second one looks the same way. This just look like candy dots to me. So cute. And I just had, this is a cut apart from one of the Happy Birthday paper pads, 12 by 12. I was looking for something, and there you go, I found it. And then this one, the sentiment, same thing, came from the same pack. So just 2 birthday cards. I thought they were really, really cute. Now I've used up these letters. I've put the package in my empties, so they are gone. So if you have these, they have, it's all Happy Birthday. Let me see if I have the packaging. Then you should get these out and go ahead and make these cards. I thought the envelope was in here. I guess not. But really fun. I was glad I got those out the way. I think me and my sister were doing some scrapping this weekend, and I whipped those up, and she did like a layout or something. So we got some paper crafting in this weekend. So that's my share, you guys. Thank you again for watching. And I am definitely on the summer spring train, so I'm going to make some more projects. I did create, let me show you this one here. I did create this box here. This is the heart-shaped box. Forgive me if I missed the name up, but really cute, really small. This paper that I'm using is from Park Lane. That is Joann's has a paper line, and this is just a 6x6 paper pad I purchased. And these are the flowers that I made a couple of weeks ago with the KS Craft Flat Daisy die. This is a handmade flower that I created. Just put the word enjoy, and then I just pulled something different out. I didn't want to do a bow. I went into my bow box, and I had these funny looking flowers, so I thought they were perfect. So I made one, and I'm going to pack these full of goodies and send them out to some friends. And then I made this one here. And I kind of show you this rosette that I made. I made a few of them. I just have some embellishments on it. A cute little tassel, what is that again? A ladybug, and a pink one of these bows. And this has lemons, and this one is oranges. So really cute idea. The heart-shaped box just have some Velcro, and it's pretty deep in there, so I'll be able to stuff lots of goodies to some pen pals and get it out to them in the mail. So that's all I have for you right now, you guys. Thanks again for watching, and please leave a comment down below. Until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.